What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja, bringing value to you, value that will help you make money online. That's all we talk about on this here YouTube channel. Whoop. So, if this is something you're interested in, you want to make money online, you want to know ways how, whether it be online opportunities, apps, tips, tricks, courses, methods of doing things, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more ways to get that done. And in this video, this way is actually a job opportunity working for a company called GitHub. GitHub, if you want to learn more about them, when you come to this page, press that link I just did, right? And GitHub is a platform or a company where software developers meet and build software so that companies can advance themselves. Okay, it's the largest and most advanced development platform in the world. So there's 65 plus million developers, 3 plus million organizations. 72% of them are Fortune 50. Okay, and it's good to come to this site because you get to learn more about the company and just what they're all about, right? So they want someone to be a research engineer, and it's a prototyping position, okay? Or you're the research engineer responsible for prototyping, or that category. And it is completely remote, meaning you can work from anywhere in the world. When I say anywhere, as long as you have internet connection, your laptop, it doesn't matter what nationality you are, as long as you can understand each other, so preferably English. But you can literally jump on a plane, fly to Bali, fly to Jakarta, and be able to work from there still, right? Now, it says here that GitHub has changed the way software is built. While GitHub, the product, must deliver immediate value to software engineers, we also have a unique opportunity to look farther ahead and identify how to make software development faster, safer, easier, and more accessible. This is the mission of GitHub Next. We research the current state of software engineering to understand what can be improved and illustrate the future through working prototypes. We're looking for talented polymaths to join us. You'll work with a small team of researchers to explore the future of software development in order to guide GitHub's product and engineering decision making. Your North Star is ensuring that GitHub remains at the heart of software development. Your secondary goal is to project GitHub's technical prowess. Our published work should be inspirational, insightful, and informative to developers everywhere. Now, your responsibilities for this role will be to research. Generally, research engineers conduct investigations and build prototypes. With few constraints on our solution space, our hardest task is scoping our research so that we are able to produce impactful results. We will have an order of magnitude more ideas than we are able to pursue. Choosing wisely is part of the job. Now, the domains of exploration are varied and will require an ability to understand, investigate, and implement prototypes across a wide range of technologies. We do not operate on production GitHub systems in the normal course of our work. Our focus is on innovation and velocity. If we do our jobs well, we provide a map of the territory that de-risks engineering projects. From time to time, we may be called upon to investigate specific high-priority topics. So these are the minimum qualifications that they are looking for this role. Now, comfortable identifying and justifying research goals in situations of ambiguity and executing towards those goals without explicit direction. Find ways to build So this is what's happening. They want you to reach the goal, but it doesn't necessarily have to be this particular direction. You get what I mean? So if something happens and you're quote unquote taken off track, if the off track route is what is what is necessary to get you to the goal, then that's the route you need to take. It doesn't have to be an explicit direction. Now, you need to find ways to build prototypes that clearly articulate a thesis to others, able to prototype quickly and evaluate ideas strategically. Now, if you're an effective and inclusive communicator, if you're comfortable with remote communication practices, Next's currency is ideas. The health of our team, our execution, and our results rests on our ability to communicate well. In a sense, if you can't communicate virtually, then it doesn't make sense. If you're someone who prefers in-person communication, who likes talking face-to-face and communicating in person, then this is not for you, because everything they do is remote based, virtually, right? If you're able to collaborate with members of Next and the broader GitHub engineering community to identify fruitful areas of investigation, inform Next's point of view on issues or opportunities, and define projects to enhance our understanding of these topics. If you're comfortable managing interactions with stakeholders around timelines and milestones, proactive, consistent communications are key to our working relationships and a good guardrail against rabbit holes. If you have significant experience writing and shipping software, this is a senior engineering role. That said, we are not primarily looking for raw coding ability. Experience is about more than your ability to write code and debate the finer points of language feature. If you're a generalist with some areas of deeper knowledge, we will also consider candidates who have specialized in a relevant field. Now, a couple preferred qualifications, preferred being the operative word. They say these are more specific abilities we're looking for, but it is the rare human who possesses them all. Think of this as a descriptive sketch, not a checklist of requirements. Be comfortable applying even if you don't have them all. 1. A deep understanding of GitHub's industry and business context, and the ability to be articulate about topics related to our product and audience. You've held roles that deal with topics at the boundary of human knowledge regarding software development and developers. A demonstrated ability to ship software using a variety of technology stacks. You are comfortable reading source code. You are comfortable picking up new technology stacks in the normal course of work. You have significant experience with one or more front-end technologies. We currently default to TypeScript and React for the web, but whatever helps us ship is the top concern. Have significant experience with one or more back-end technologies. Server-side environments, compute, data stores, networking, infrastructure, DevOps, security. Have significant experience with open source software, communities, and the systems that these communities use to self-organize and ship software for others to use. Have significant experience operating production systems at a non-trivial scale and are familiar with the common patterns and pitfalls of that work. Have significant experience in another area of computing that is relevant to our mission. Human-computer interaction, distributed systems, your thing. To apply for this job, you see this blue button here that says apply for job. Press that, fill in the information, ship it off. See what I did there? Right? Yes. Ship that application as you would ship your source code. Now, if you're one who is worried about how your resume looks, how your cover letter looks, there's a link right below. Well, there's a link in the description below that takes you to a website called Canva. Canva has thousands of free templates for resumes and cover letters that you can use and download for free, right? Click the link, it will take you to the page. You just enter your name and email address, okay? And type in resume in the search bar. All the templates will pop up. Type in cover letter again in the search bar. All the templates will pop up, okay? This role is completely remote. You don't need an office, meaning you don't need to go to an office. You can work from home, from a coffee shop, from another country. And FYI, this was posted 3 hours ago. The time is currently 6:45 Eastern Standard Time on the 6th of October 2021. So, all my research engineers, all my programmers, all my seasoned programmers, they did say they want some experience. If you are interested in something like this, hit the apply button at the bottom of this page. The link is in the description below. And if you are interested in starting your own business and learning how you can scale the business you already have, then check the first link in the description below. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.